kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is blending sounds. So let us start our class. So kids, this is letter C. It says K. This is letter L. It says L. When C and L come together, it makes a new sound. That is cl. Cl. So kids, let's learn some examples of these blending sound. So let's learn with me. Cl, cl, clear, clear. Cl, cl, clean, clean. Cl, cl, clip, clip. Cl, cl, class, class. Cl, cl, climb, climb. Cl, cl, clinic, clinic. Cl, cl, clap, clap. Cl, cl, clock, clock. Cl, cl, club, club. Cl, cl, cloud, cloud. So kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.